As winter approaches, the frequency of using home heating equipment gradually increases. When turning on the underfloor heating, condensation on the glass is prone to occur. To effectively alleviate this phenomenon, we need to pay attention to the following points. Firstly, for the selection of glass configuration, windows and doors in cities usually come with triple glazed insulated glass, which has good insulation performance and can effectively reduce the generation of condensation. Secondly, consider replacing the aluminum spacer of the glass with a warm edge spacer, with a lower thermal conductivity to reduce the overall heat transfer coefficient of the window and further reduce the formation of condensation on the glass surface. Finally, during the installation of the glass, insulation can be used around the sides and between the aluminum profiles to reduce the heat exchange between the aluminum profile and the glass, thus reducing the heat transfer coefficient of the whole window, minimizing the occurrence of condensation on the glass surface. Follow these suggestions. Improve the comfort of winter life.